What are the top 3 ways to find that killer real estate deal, that killer investment property? Well, I'm Aaron Impens, and today we're going to go over those top 3 ways. All right, guys, so there's many ways, obviously, to find real estate deals, okay? I'm gonna share with you today some of the ways that I think are the best. Well, hell, even the top 3, how about that? Let's say the first one, and some people don't necessarily agree with this, but first one I'm gonna say is an investor-friendly real estate agent, okay? Now, the reason why I say investor friendly is because there's obviously plenty of real estate agents out there. In my local market, I think there's over 1,100, and I live in a town of only 250,000 people. So plenty of real estate agents out there. And don't get me wrong, there's plenty of really good ones as well too. You know, if you're looking to sell a home, they can obviously help you out. But in our case, you know, we're real estate investors. We're not looking to move into this house. We're looking for something that's going to generate us income, or that we're going to be able to buy it under market value to be able to add value to it and sell it for more. So a real estate agent that is investor friendly can be key, and here's why. First off, you know, they have access to the deals that are on the MLS. You know, you can't get public access to that without working with a real estate agent. So they've got access to some of the deals that maybe you don't, or maybe they see them first, you know, because someone didn't know about you and they called that real estate agent instead. And they said, hey, I've got this distressed property that I'm looking to sell, or my mother just died and we're looking to know what to do with our inherited property, things like that. You know, that real estate agent can come in valuable there. I work with a real estate agent that's very investor friendly. It does some investing, you know, so he's got eyes kind of like mine, where if he's looking at a property, he's going to see the same things that I do, where maybe he'll look at a basement wall that has a small crack in it, and the sellers are distraught about how horrible a condition it is. But my investor-friendly agent knows that, you know, as an example, that's just a couple $1,000s. It's fixed, no problem. It's good to have someone like that. Again, access to the deals, maybe the deals that he'll find first before you can even see, and even some extra eyes, you know, some extra advice as well. So, okay, so that's number 1. How about number 2? Marketing. Okay, this one is big in my business, really big in my business. Now, with that being said, it requires some time on your end or someone's end that you're hiring, let's say. So the way that I drive most of my deals in my business is via marketing. So let's talk about what kind of marketing do I do. I do plenty of it, and it can get expensive at times, but some of the main ones would be direct mail. I'm sure you guys know what direct mail is. It's all that junk that you get in your mailbox that you end up throwing in the trash. Well, guess what? You can do some marketing and you can become part of that junk. Obviously, you want to set yourself out from all of the other stuff so they read your postcard or your letter that you're sending, but it's a great, inexpensive way to get in front of someone, let them know that you're buying properties. Another one maybe is even driving for dollars, okay? If you don't know what driving for dollars is, it's not a whole lot about paid marketing, or maybe even not even really marketing in itself, but this, again, requires time of your own. You get in a car and you're driving around a neighborhood and you're just keeping your eyes open for properties that look distressed. In the wintertime, if it snowed 4 days ago and you drive by a house and there's no feet print in the snow, or the driveway hasn't been shoveled, guess what? Someone probably doesn't live there. So write down the address, look up the name, send them a letter. Say, hey, I'd like to buy this place, okay? So driving for dollars, that's another way. Bandit signs, you know, the little yellow "We Buy Houses" signs on the bottom, or that are on the corner of the roads, those work too, I promise you. Okay, number 3, This one's important to me. This one I really think highly of. Networking, okay? Networking. Get out there, tell everybody what you do, meet as many people as you can in the business. Go to real estate meetups or real estate investor association meetings they have. There's landlord meetings out there. Get out there, tell everybody what you do, and make sure and meet as many people as you can. Real estate is not a property business. It's a relationship business. It really is. So networking is key, okay? So these are the top three ways to find good deals. An investor-friendly real estate agent, maybe some marketing and some networking. But all of these three things won't work unless you get out there and you put in the hard work, okay? I encourage you to put in the effort. If you're gonna go this route, meet the best agent you can. If you're gonna go this way, smash that marketing, man. Just do it to the best of your abilities. And networking, don't ever stop. Meet as many people as you can. All right? Top 3 ways to find the best deals, okay? I promise you they all work. Make sure and tune back in. Hit that subscribe button. I got more to share and I wanna make sure you come back. Leave me some likes, maybe even some comments below what you wanna hear from next. If you got any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. See you next time.